What's up, guys? This is Dano from Dano Sports Collectibles. Got in a box of the hot new football product, Topps Inception Football. Funny story, this was actually supposed to be a box of Lineage Baseball, but I figured it's pretty hot. I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell the whole box or crack it open, and I guess you can figure out which one I decided to do. Seven cards in a pack. Got some rookies, autos, patch autos. Nice little box. Checklist. See that? I'm sure y'all are pretty familiar with this product already. Nothing else inside. Pretty thick. Let's see if this accident turns out to be worth it. That's what all the cards on the inside look like. Pretty thick there. Alright, first card is Hakeem Nicks from the Giants. No number on the back. Second one is Brandon Marshall, numbered to 209, number 34 out of 209. Next one is Eli Manning, numbered to 75. A little parallel there. Nice looking cards. The reviews on the cards have been really good as far as the design. You know, sometimes more is simple as more, I guess. Nice backgrounds. First auto, number to 50, Torrey Smith. Nice on-card autograph. Second auto is DeLone Carter. This one's numbered to 900. Nice on-card auto. We got our patch rookie card of Mark Ingram, numbered to 75. Nice dual color patch for the New Orleans Saints. And finally we have Santonio Holmes base from the Jets. Alright, guys, these will be available for sale. Check me out on Twitter at Dano Laurel, or look me up on Facebook at Dano Sports Collectibles. Thanks, y'all.